Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing Guru. Today we have got something truly exciting for you. The brand new Boat Airdopes Prime 701 ANC. Flagship features under rupees 2000. Yup, you heard that right. Let's dive straight into the unboxing, review and find out if this budget ANC earbuds really live up to their hype. So inside the box we get the Airdopes Prime 701 ANC earbuds, Type-C charging cable, extra ear tips, user manual and warranty card, and of course the slick charging case. First impressions, the build quality feels solid, the matte finish looks premium, and the case has a nice compact design. And the color I am having right now looks quite nice. Also, you get two other color options as well. Now talking about the earbuds design, the earbuds are lightweight and sit comfortably in the ears. They are IPX5 rated as well, so whether you are sweating it out at the gym or caught in light rain, you are covered. Now let's talk about what really matters. Yes, the sound and noise cancellation. You are getting a hybrid ANC up to 46 decibel, which is insane at this price. It does a good job cutting out ambient sound like fans and traffic, and I am really impressed because usually when I'm sitting in the office, a lot of PC noise and the AC noise is there, but these earbuds clearly cut them off. Also, I would like to say that the dual 10mm drivers with the Boat signature sound. The audio is punchy, bass heavy and quite immersive. On top of that, the spatial audio support really enhances your movie and music experience. And how I can forget the spatial audio thing. Yes, with this earbud, there is spatial audio feature is packed up. So while you're connecting with the application, you can on the spatial audio effect and you can have a 360 surround like feel. And that's a really great for this particular pricing. Now jumping towards the calling and the microphone, there is quad mic setup with AI ENx. And in my testing, voices came out loud and clear even in noisy environments. And also these earbuds help out the other person to hear you properly in whatever situation you are. Now whenever you're buying earbuds, you always have a concern that these earbuds can work in all departments. Well, these earbuds are packed with beast mode. That is purely for the gamers. It provides you 60 ms low latency performance while you're playing BGMI or COD and any other action game that you're enjoying on your phone. It also supports Bluetooth 5.2 that can be really disappointing at this price point because nowadays Bluetooth 5.4 is much more trending than 5.2. Well, on the point you don't have really such concern regarding the connection because you get multi-point connection and even Google fast pairing. So you can instantly connect to multiple devices. And via application you can seamlessly switch your devices. But what really impressed me on this earbud is their battery life, because you get up to 50 hours of total playback time with the case. And if you're in a rush, just 10 minutes of charge gives you 3 hours of listening thanks to SF charge. Talking about some extra feature on the earbuds, these earbuds come with in-ear detection. That's seamlessly a good feature at this price point because whenever you remove your earbuds, the music gets off. Whenever you put in your earbuds, the music is on. And now when it's about fine-tuning or controlling the earbuds, then you get the Boat Hearable app. Connect with this application, now you can control the EQ levels and ANC levels. Not just that, you can do a lot more things with this application. Now let's talk about my opinion for this pricing. At the price of ₹1,999, I would say these earbuds are really crazy. The kind of sound quality I was expecting is much better, and I would personally say the earbuds justify for the price. Talking about the noise cancellation is quite good for the price, and if you're looking a budget earbud with all this kind of features, then this is a good pick. The links are given in the description, you can check it out from there. But before leaving our channel, do not forget to hit the like button and share and subscribe button for more such exclusive content. See you guys in the next one.